channel. It's your girl, MissErinYvette, and today I'm going to be doing a super quick vlog style hair tutorial. I have so many videos of me doing this tutorial, but in this video I want to show you guys one of the favorite hair brands that I've used literally since I started doing this tutorial. I've tried so many different types of hair, but this was the easiest and quickest way I've ever achieved this style. So shout out to Toyotress for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my hair while on my shift at work. So this is the next day. My hair is completed. I actually was able to wear my hair this weekend on like a few dates and things like that. I completed this style in 2.5 hours on my shift. So I definitely wanted to challenge myself to see if I could actually do something productive during my work from home job, but also just to see like how quick I could do this style. This hair was super manageable. I love it. It's 24 inches long, but nonetheless, make sure you guys stay tuned for the whole video just to see how I install this hair. Really quickly, I want to give you guys like my thoughts on Toyotress and just my experience with this hair. So first of all, the hair came stupid fast, y'all. This is probably one of the quickest hair vendors I would recommend if you're looking to do this style. Specifically those of you who aren't like near a beauty supply store, or you don't really like, I don't know, there are just different reasons why a lot of people like to shop for their braiding and Marley hair online. And I ain't gonna lie, I was one of those girls, I was like, no, I want to get my hair from the store because what if I don't have enough packs? This is the hair you do not have to worry about running out of hair. Like, they send you compacted bundles, but the bundles are so full. I love the length of this hair. I didn't have to do too much. And I actually used about 3 pieces of Marley twist hair per twist. This here, sis, is the perfect summer style, like, period. So make sure if you are interested in this video that you give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this style, if you're gonna try it. And if you are, make sure you get your hair from Toyotress. They are super affordable and the hair is bomb. Make sure you check out the link down below to go ahead and get yours. And I will see you guys in my next video. Y'all, so like crazy enough, I am on my lunch. So I got about 45 minutes left to spare. We about to start on her. I'm about to do the back because the front I can kind of maneuver. The back is what I cannot see while I'm working. So my hair is a little wet. I tried to air dry it in my twists. I'm just gonna take them out. And then for each twist, I think I want to do a total of either 6 or 7 Marley twists. Going in with this hair, again, I love Toyotress hair. The hair that I'm using is 24 inches, and I hope I don't run out, because if I do, I'll have some random hair left over that I'm going to be using, but this is going to go on my perimeter. So all I do, especially when I'm in a rush, I'm going to go from the top of my ear straight back, following my finger. Like I said, y'all, this is a very chillaxed, relaxed style. I like even numbers, so 8 is going to be my go-to. But more than likely, I'll probably end up doing 9. I love my Marley twists this way because it's gonna look like they're mine. I've been in the store before, grocery shopping. This lady said she was growing her dreads, y'all, for years, and my hair looked like hers did. I was like, oh, so this is how I did it. So honestly, if you got some shea butter lying around, I don't know where mine is, but if you have shea butter lying around, this is what I will be doing my hair with. Yes. So I got about 10-15 minutes left on my break, but I was able to do one little section, and I think I got about 7 twists done before I finished a bundle of hair. So I should probably have just enough to cover my whole head, and I'm loving how it's looking, y'all. This is like the easiest style to do ever. I'm doing this without even paying attention. I'm doing this in my phone, like I'm not even looking at my mirror. The parting itself probably is crazy. I'll show y'all. But because of how chunky these are and the way that I wear these, like I said, I personally like it. If you're a big parter person and parting matters to you, mind you, I'm probably not even gonna have these in my head long, but I feel like these are the perfect summer style. Perfect. I can get in the shower, I can get in the pool. I ain't gotta worry about my hair when I wake up and I'm on vacation. Like, it's literally perfect. I'm about to try to start on the back section, so I'll at least be done with half. And then I'll probably come back and show y'all the other half, either when I get off or yeah.
Raphael on the beat.
I literally just got off work, but I will say this hairstyle is taking me about 2 hours to do. I like to use edge control. If you guys can't tell, I use the new product. So I use edge control in the front because it's going to hold my hair better. My hair is really soft, so whether I'm washing my face or my actual hair, whether I'm sweating or when you pull your hair up in a ponytail due to like friction and things like that, your braids and your twists tend to get a little bit looser in the front. I personally feel like quicker. So I like to use edge control, a really good edge control, and it literally just sleeks it. So the front of my hair will be sleek and the rest of my hair is gonna look natural. That's what I call it. That means it don't have to be perfect. And I do like this wet line extreme. It helps slick down my curly hair, but just serve as like a braiding or twisting agent. So in the front, I do my hair kind of tautly, but if you have an issue with it being too tight on your scalp, I like to go halfway through, release it so it kind of unravels a little bit, just loosens up. And I also want to take out my baby hairs. Y'all see, I actually take out a lot more baby hairs than I know I'm gonna use, because by the time I finish my hair, I done already pulled it back up. So I always take out a lot of baby hairs. But yeah. And I love the way it turned out. Like, this hair is literally gonna be my go-to hair every time I do my Marley twist because this was perfect. I've been trying to achieve the chunkiness, the fluffiness of this hair. And 3 strands per twist is literally like my go-to. That keeps you from spending too much money on hair. And the length is perfect. Girl, yes, y'all need this hair. Real shit. You trying to redo this style? This is the hair to choose.